Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So the other day I decided to check YouTube's copyright feature to see if any of my content is being used without my permission. And lo and behold, YouTube flagged some. This video is just a quick overview to show you how to access and use this great YouTube resource. So let's get started. To access this copyright feature, go to YouTube Studio and select Copyright, which brings you to the channel copyright page. Here it shows a list of the videos matching mine. It also indicates how much of my video they used. Clicking on the videos brings up three options: archive, request removal, and contact channel. To contact the channel, just insert your email address. YouTube then sends an email to the uploader on your behalf. The request removal page indicates the video or videos requested for removal. There's a section for the copyright owner to fill out contact information. Then there are removal options, like scheduling a 7-day notice or standard request removal now. There's also an option to prevent copies of the videos from appearing on YouTube going forward. In the legal agreement section, check all that applies, sign as indicated, and then submit. You'll get a response email from YouTube updating you on the status. If you prefer to archive the videos in question, just click Archive. So here on the channel copyright page, under removal requests, you'll see a video here. This was one where I requested removal, and you can see here that it says under request status, resolved, video removed, and find matches is active, so that anyone else that tries to use this video will be flagged by YouTube. On the bottom of the channel copyright page, there's a section that allows you to look for copyright claims that somebody else may have placed on you. So you click the video list, which takes you to the channel content page, where you see under copyright claims, any videos that anybody else is claiming against you would appear here. And here we see there are no copyright claims against me. So there you have it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you haven't already done so, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.